system and the abbreviation. I'll set the abbreviation for the systems, right? Soil pipe for abbreviation type properties. The abbreviation வந்து பாருங்க இந்த abbreviations இருக்கு. SP correct. When pipe SPP. These are things you will be having in your project also. Okay, I mean you'll be having your project template. Soil pipe, grease pipe, and okay. So we are going to create a tag family for systems. Okay. So on the new family, I will browse family templates. Annotation, right? Metric generic annotation. Okay. First on the just categorize பண்ணுங்க. நம்ம create பண்றது pipe tag, correct? Okay. Create label, pick it. இது வந்து size first வந்து size, அப்புறம் வந்து system abbreviation. Okay. Right. Okay. We'll change the label. I'm going to use 2.5 mm 0.1T. Okay. Whichever is okay. I'm going to save it. Size tag. Close பண்ணுங்க. In order to tag, you have to take from annotate tag by category TG. Okay, either from here or it is here. No? Or TG the short key. Tags எடுக்குங்க. அந்த family load பண்ணணும். Load family. I'm going to load it. Sorry. Okay, load ஆயிடுச்சு. Just check size, pipe size. See, இங்க load ஆயிடுச்சு. Pipe switch tag without the BOP. Okay, just ஒரு பேர் கொடுத்தாச்சு அவ்வளவுதான். Okay. அப்போ initially I'm going to tag from this area. Okay. Attached on the free end. Anything you can see. Always try to use this attached end. Pipe மாத்துச்சுன்னா automatically இதுவும் change ஆயிடும். Okay. Just provide a arrow. The big arrow, we can provide a small one. To change it, manage arrowhead, duplicate it. Sorry, arrow field. Sorry. Okay. வேணும்னா மாத்திடலாம். free end. இது வேணும்னா கூட மாத்திடலாம். Okay. Initially பண்ணணும். Sorry. That was my mistake. Okay. In order to give the BOP, there is an option. But invert level தேவைன்னா only for drainage. Okay. Only for slope pipes. Go to annotate. Here we have an option called spot elevation. See, spot elevation. Just take spot elevation. You can create a new type. So I'm going to give this BOP. Okay, bottom of pipe or bottom of inverter. I mean inverter or something else. Okay, so when I inverter la podala, no problem. Just okay. Okay. Options bar on the display elevation, actual elevation மாத்திட்டு change it to bottom elevation. Display elevation, bottom elevation. Correct? Display elevation, bottom elevation, and pick the center. See, pick the center line, not the edge line. Pick the center line. But okay, just double click and place. Okay. இப்போ வந்து ஒரு லீடர் இருக்கு. Okay. வேணும்னா லீடர் ஹைட் பண்ணலாம். Just select the family. You can hide the leader here. And you can place wherever you like. Okay. அப்புறம் இதுல prefix போடணும்னா இங்கே prefix இருக்கு. I'm going to give BOP. See. The size change பண்ணா just go to edit type. Here you can find the text size and all. I'm going to 2 mm. Give 2 mm. Instead of Arial, I'm giving Roman T. See. If you want to give invert level, it's negative, right? So if you want to give invert level, you can type here. Instead of BOP, you can type invert level. IL. Correct. So, I'll show you here. Ping it. And go to annotate, spot elevation. Okay. Initially, you can uncheck this one. Leader, display elevation, always check bottom elevation. Okay. Not actual select elevation. It should be bottom elevation. Bottom elevation. Just pick the center point. See, it is changing, right? Change point. Okay. Wherever you want to pick, just double click it. Pick a point. Select it. And you can provide the suffix or prefix. Okay. In the மாதிரி தான் tag பண்ணணும். Like you should have to tag like this, or you should add this method to tag the tag for while you are tagging for the slope pipes. Okay. அந்த சில் வாட்டர் அதுக்கு எல்லாமே நம்ம சொன்னபடி முன்னாடி சொன்னபடி அந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணி you can use that. Okay. BOPக்கு ஒரு ஃபார்முலா சொல்லி கொடுத்தாரு. Okay. You can use that for unsloped pipe. Okay. For chill water, water supply, whatever. Okay. Okay. And for fixtures and all, you can create the tags you needed. The earlier type, like for fixtures, I'm selecting this family, edit type, consider any of the parameter. You can type any of the parameter, like type comments, type mark, anything. Okay, I'll give it in type comments or type mark, anything you need. It's URL. Okay, so I'm just giving you our. If you want to tag the fixture also, that's it. Okay, so all the fixtures comes under same category. Plumbing fixture, like everything is plumbing fixture. So we'll be creating one family for plumbing fixture, for tagging plumbing fixture, right? This is like, consider this is WC. Okay, so I'm giving it in type mark. For every family, I'm giving it in type mark. This is WC. Correct. Okay, so I'm going to create a new tag for it. Family metric generic tag. Select this one. Categorize it to plumbing fixtures. Plumbing fixture tag, right? Apron label. What you have to give? Type mark, right? Type mark. can give the same. I fix that. Okay. Other you can directly load into the project and just pick it. See, uncheck the reader. Okay. You can tag all the fixtures at the same time, right? In the option use pannalam, tag all, check plumbing fixture. If you want to leader, just check it or uncheck it if you don't need it. Tag orientation horizontal and now horizontal pick பண்ணுங்க, just apply பண்ணுங்க. Okay, so every fixture will be tagged. Okay, but here we have to change the orientation. Right. Okay, select it, filter, tag மட்டும் check பண்ணணும். இப்போ plumbing fixture. See, you can change the direction. Okay. Question mark. This one the load drain da. We haven't given the type mark. Okay. Okay. Just try to complete the tags for and for clean out, better option is to text it. Okay, create a family for a text also. Text, duplicate it. I'm giving to Roman T. Text. Correct. CO. Okay, you can change. Clean out or loading, whatever. Okay. and also, if you want to tag the slope, you can use the same thing, sport slope. See. Okay. You don't need this arrow or something, you can just remove it. Arrowhead. இது வேணும்னா இது வந்து நன் போடலாம். Sorry. Happened. ஒரு நிமிஷம். Sorry, I think there is no option to hide the lines. Okay. I'll check it and tell to you. Okay. We usually do it as text, or else we'll make a family for it for annotating the slope. Family in the sense we can create a leader. See, create a family. Either you can use a metric detail item. இங்கே முன்னாடி சொன்னேன் நினைக்கிறேன். For creating symbols, we'll use metric detail item. Metric detail item. Here you can create a small family for creating slope. Okay, this is it. So fill region, pick line, pick. Solid fill black. Yeah. Loading default or index system. Okay, so it will comes under, if you want to get that thing, it will comes under metric detail item. For annotate, go to component, detail component. You'll get it. Picking spacebar, you can change the rotations. So you can by using this symbol, you can provide the slopes. See, this is the direction. Correct. Like this. But you can fit inside the pipe. Okay. Here you have center line for this pipe. In order to hide the center line of the pipe, just go to VG, go to pipes, expand pipes. Here you can uncheck this one. Okay, center line. So center line will be hidden. Okay, so you can put this. Yes, sorry. Okay, whatever. Like this. Okay. Provided you can provide the schedules or something for the slope, pipe slopes. Okay, and if you want to give the insulation for the CDP pipes, select the pipe, add insulation. Add insulation. Provide the thickness, provide insulation type, whatever you needed, and provide the slope. Okay. You can either make half tone for insulation. This is better. Right, insulation and giving half tone. Right. So if you can provide a line type, that's better. Provide just give hidden lines for insulation if you need them. Are you getting what I'm telling? Hello, Rajesh.
Oh, okay now.
Okay. But just try பண்ணுங்க. இது annotate பண்றது எல்லாமே try பண்ணுங்க.
Okay now.
Okay. அப்புறம் we have a plugin called okay, I'll do one thing. I'll send some plugins for you. இது வந்து Revit install பண்ணும்போது கிடைக்காது. இது எல்லாமே இப்போ like we can directly export the schedule in Excel format.
Okay, okay.
Last timeல நான் சொன்னேன் நம்ம அதை டெக்ஸ்ட் ஃபைல எக்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ணி அந்த டெக்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸல்ல கோப்பி இது அப்படிதான் செஞ்சேன். ஞாபகத்துல இருக்கா?
Yes sir.
Okay, you can directly convert into Excel.
Okay now.
Okay, அது என்னன்னா I will send you the link. See, it's called BIM1. ஒரு நிமிஷம். Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll send the links for it. No problem. I think we will see it in the final classes because it is not it doesn't come with the Revit software. It's actually a plugin. For the time being, it is free, but after some time, I think it will be chargeable.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can try this one. അപ്പോൾ on the service like service modeling almost complete. We have tried ducting, we have tried chill water piping, we have tried this firefighting, we have tried drainage, and we have tried water supply. Actually, water supply you can do it. It's similar to chill water or firefighting are similar.
Yes.
Okay, so if you want to do a project, I can give you a project, a simple project, or else we'll continue with the sheet sections. Next thing is the major portion is to prepare the sheet and everything.
Okay.
Yeah. So I will just tell you the basic things, right?
Okay.
No, sorry. Actually, I forgot to tell you one thing. Yet the next topic is interference checking. Okay. In Collaborate, we have a tool called interference check to check the clashes. Right.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll do that first. Okay. Let me take another project. I need some other project. ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
Okay.
So, okay. Just give me 5 minutes. File open பண்ணுமா?
Okay.
File and then what? The file open பண்ணிருக்கு.
Okay.
And we have to also go through the work sharing. Actually, okay, we'll do it tomorrow. Okay, work sharing, actually, it's a little bit important. கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோ இருக்கு. ஒரே நிமிஷம்.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So the interference check is kind of clash detection. Okay. You can check the clashes either within Revit software, or you can use the Navisworks for checking or for coordination purposes. But இதுல வந்து limitations இருக்கு. In the interference check that which you are using in Revit, you have certain limitations. Okay. So most probably they'll be using the Navisworks for coordination or detecting the clash or something.
Okay.
Okay. But இது வந்து பார்த்துக்கலாம். But இதுல நிறைய disadvantages இருக்கு இந்த interference check. Okay. But it's fine. We will do it first. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, right now there is no clashes. I will create some clashes. Huh?
Okay.
Okay. Right now there is clashes. Okay. Back to clash இருக்கு. அப்புறம் this is fine. Okay. So consider we have a project. Okay. Either நம்ம 3D view,
Okay.
or else you can take the complete 3D view. இது வந்து நம்ம மொத்தமா இருக்கு.
Okay.
Fine. Show that. Just hide the important category sections, like the CAD files. So you can, if you want, you can hide the levels, scope boxes, and everything. Just to clear out it. That's it. Okay. Section boxes. Here, check the section boxes there. Okay. set the orientation. I'm going to crop it. Okay. This is our project.
Okay.
Just consider we have just modeled the services. That's it. Okay. Initially, the IFC padi namadala model panniten consider panninga. Okay. We haven't gone to coordination side. So what we'll do is we want to check the coordination of this complete area. Okay. Don't select anything. Go to collaborate, interference check, run interference check. Okay. இதுல ஒரு மெயின் பிரச்சனை என்னன்னா நமக்கு சர்வீஸ் டு சர்வீஸ் கிளாஷ் செக் பண்ண முடியாது. சர்வீஸ் டு சர்வீஸ் இன் த சென்ஸ் லைக் இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு செக் த கிளாஷ் ஆஃப் ட்ரைனேஜ் பைப் அண்ட் ஃபயர் ஃபைட்டிங் பைப், இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு செக் த கிளாஷ் ஆஃப் சில் வாட்டர் பைப் அண்ட் ஃபயர் பைப், அப்படி டிடெக்ட் பண்ண முடியாது.
ஓகே
ஓகே, அப்படி டிடெக்ட் பண்ணணும்னா இந்த எவ்ரி சர்வீசஸ் ஷுட் பி செப்பரேட் ஃபைல்.
ஓகே
அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்?
ஓகே
ஓகே, வென் இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் வந்து ஒரு சின்ன ப்ராஜெக்ட், அதனால தான் எல்லா சர்வீஸும் ஒரே ஃபைல் தான் பண்ணிட்டாரு. But if you get some higher projects, if you're doing high-rise buildings or if you are doing some kind of big projects, each services will be in separate files. Okay, separate file in the sense, if you're going to in the Revit link பாத்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ என்னென்ன லிங்க்ஸ் இருக்கு, இதுல வந்து ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் லிங்க் இருக்கு, ஐடி லிங்க் இருக்கு, ஆர்கிடெக்சர் இருக்கு, இவ்வளவுதான் இருக்கு. Okay, see, if this is our HVAC file, the other services, all other services like firefighting, okay, plumbing, electrical will be separate links like this. Okay, I'll show you an example, but on the open பண்ணும்போது கொஞ்சம் டைம் ஆயிடும், அதனாலதான். Okay, anyway, I'll show you an example. இங்க இருக்கு. See, I'm just going to open a file. See, this is our working file. It's a project called POD. We can see all the files here. See, we can see the architecture file. This is the architecture file. This is the structural file. See, this is the plumbing file, HVAC, firefighting, electrical. Everything is interlinked. I mean, everything is separated. Yes.
Okay.
Separate model. Okay. I'll do one thing. I will open firefighting file. This is our firefighting file. Okay. Detached from central, all open. Okay. Just let me take a 3D view. Okay. See, when you're looking through this area, please have a look through this area. இங்க பாருங்க, இதெல்லாமே லிங்க் தான் பாருங்க. இது வந்து ஆர்கிடெக்சர் லிங்க். நான் ஜஸ்ட் ஆர்கிடெக்சர் லோட் பண்றேன். I will just load the architecture side. See, I'm loading architecture. இது இப்போ வந்து க்ளோஸ் ஆயிடும் மீட்டிங். ஓகேவா?
ஓகே.
See, the architecture file will be loaded. See, next I am going to load the plumbing file. Okay, reload plumbing file. So just try to understand that every services is done in separate files. Okay, file size കുറഞ്ഞിടും.
Okay.
Okay, இல்லைன்னா எல்லா shop drawing everything will be a single file. So the file will be certain heavy. பாருங்க. Okay, actually if I am selecting this pipe, see it will be in a single selection. Sorry, see plumbing da single selection da. Okay, in the file the firefighting pipe, and this file the file which I opened is for firefighting pipe. See, okay, actually if you are doing, most probably this kind of projects will be done by a team. The team da செஞ்சிட்டே இருக்கு. Okay, but teamல வந்து like 10 to 20 members இருப்பாரு. Okay, everyone will be doing separate services.
Yes.
Okay, and it will be interlinked as links. ஒரு பையன் வந்து HVAC பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ஓகே, அப்ப அவர் வந்து ஒரு சென்ட்ரல் ஃபைல் சர்வர்ல இருப்பாங்க. அந்த ஃபைல் தான் இங்க லிங்க் பண்றது. So we can see the changes or we can see the updations simultaneously.
Okay.
Get me? Okay. I'll do one thing, just get back to this file. Okay, we'll check the interference check. Okay, so I'm going through this interference check. Run interference check. But in the project la vanda ella service oru file da. Okay va? Okay, run interference check. See, I'll do first, just try to listen. We have two categories, category 1, category 2, or A or B. Okay, we can check the clashes side to side. If you want to check the clashes of duct and pipe, either you can check here duct fitting or duct accessory. The other side you can check the pipes. Okay, so you'll be getting a report. Okay, what I'll do is I'm going to check the structural clashes first.
Okay.
Of duct and pipe. Okay, so here in this side I'm going to check duct accessory, duct fitting, duct, and here also pipe insulation, pipe fitting, everything. Okay, after that we can ignore this one. If you want to ignore insulation, just ignore it. Category A side, while you are expanding, you can see the linked files. See, this is our linked files. So which is our structural file? Just pick the structural file. We need the structural framings and structural columns. Okay.